Hello everyone! Today we will show you how to blend Artistro acrylic markers. Let's make this perfect gradient together. As a surface, we will choose a rock. Make sure to wash and dry your rocks prior to starting. For making the gradient, we will need 2 different color paint pens, a paintbrush, and a cup of water. Paint half of the rock with one color. Take the red marker and squeeze out a little paint. Then take a different color and also squeeze the paint. Blend it with the wet brush. You will need to act quickly because the acrylic paint dries fast. Continue to paint till you get the final result. Artistro markers are based on acrylic ink. That's why they work well with water. How do you like the gradient?